Apple unveils iPhone 15 Pro with titanium case, holds line on prices. The biggest surprise with the iPhone 15 that will come out on September 2022, it did not raise prices, reflecting the global smartphone slump. The event at Apple's California headquarters comes with amid lingering economic uncertainty, especially in China, Apple's third largest market, where it faces challenges from expanded restrictions on using its iPhone in government offices, and the first new flagship iPhone in several years from Huawei technology. Huawei reached its second half shipment target to the Mate 60 series smartphone. Some of the features of iPhone 15 Pro are: the Pros get USB 3.0 with the speed of 10 GBs. You will be able to use the charger and cable from your iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, or Galaxy to charge the new iPhones. Apple didn't say anything about faster charging though. Apple brought a number of upgrades to the design of the iPhone 15 Pro series. The new Pro have contoured edges and thin bezels ever on an iPhone. Apple managed to shrink the overall dimensions of the phone despite keeping the same display sizes as last year. Stainless steel is replaced by titanium for the frames, resulting in what Apple claims to be the lightest Pro models it has ever introduced. The difference to the 11 Pro Duo is just 1G, but compared to the last 14 Pro, the new ones drop 19G. The specific alloy is grade 5 titanium, which the company says is also used on the Mars rover. If you want to know more news about this latest trends, subscribe and comment down below.